The Channel Acer showroom presents a look at the much-anticipated return of the Honda XR350R for the 2026 model year. This new generation Enduro machine carries forward the legacy of Honda's XR lineage while adapting to modern expectations. Below is a detailed breakdown of its background, technical highlights, riding character, and how it fits into the marketplace. Engine and performance highlights. While full official specifications are still emerging, the 2026 XR350R is reported to feature a mid-capacity single-cylinder four-stroke engine tuned for broad torque, trail flexibility, and responsive throttle behavior. Early media sources indicate its return is more than a badge exercise. The goal: deliver true trail machine performance without excessive complexity. Heritage and context. The XR350R nameplate traces back to the original XR series from Honda, a range of four-stroke off-road motorcycles designed for endurance, durability, and off-road performance. After many years away, Honda has revived the XR350R badge for 2026, signaling a renewed commitment to a mid-sized enduro segment. This revival taps both into nostalgia and the demand for capable trail-ready machines. Design philosophy. This model is engineered to strike a balance between agility, off-road capability, and everyday usability. The design language embraces a rugged, minimalist aesthetic, high clearance, long travel suspension, and lightweight ergonomics. The result is a machine meant to thrive in trails, woods, and more challenging terrain, while still being manageable enough for many riders. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The 2026 XR350R benefits from a suspension setup tailored to off-road use: long travel front fork, hardy rear shock, capable of soaking bumps and ruts while maintaining control. The chassis geometry prioritizes both stability at speed and agility in tighter trail scenarios. The result: a bike that invites confident cornering and is comfortable on varying terrain. On-trail characteristics. In riding conditions, the XR350R displays a keen sense of composure. From fire roads to tighter single track, the engine's torque delivers immediate response, and the suspension soaks up the terrain. Riders note its ability to switch between moderate pace and more aggressive riding without feeling overtaxed. The sitting and standing ergonomics are designed to promote control in both attack and trail cruise modes. Practicality and usability. Though built for trails, the XR350R also offers practical features for broader use: manageable weight, reasonable seat height, and a focus on reliability. These attributes make it accessible for riders looking for a versatile enduro machine rather than a pure motocross race bike. Maintenance simplicity and parts availability are key advantages, given Honda's long experience in the XR dual sport arena. Competitive positioning and value. Within the mid-sized enduro dirt segment, the 2026 XR350R positions itself as a serious contender. Its Honda badge brings reliability and dealer network advantages. For riders seeking a trail-focused but premium feel from a trusted maker, it offers strong appeal. In markets like Pakistan, import duties, availability of service, and parts will influence the ownership equation, but the brand heritage is a major plus. Summary. In summary, the 2026 Honda XR350R is a welcomed return of a nameplate with real off-road intent. Acer Showroom highlights its modern reinterpretation of classic XR virtues: durability, trail capability, and rider-friendly performance. For those in search of a capable mid-sized enduro machine, this model deserves serious consideration. If you're evaluating trail bikes for 2026, keep an eye on availability, local pricing, and accessories support in your region. The XR350R's revival is a strong statement from Honda. Acer's showroom recommends watching for test rides and local dealer impressions to assess how it holds up in real-world conditions.